Alright guys, welcome. Today we did a pretty short hike to this lake here. And it's raining quite a lot. It's pretty heavy raining. And it's going to be raining all day, tomorrow morning, all of tomorrow morning as well. You can see a little bit of the mountain, but not a whole lot. It's pretty cloudy with all the rain going on. And we're all soaking wet right now. It's raining, just exploring the area. But yeah, for now guys, I'm gonna quickly set up the tent so we can get dried out a bit, and then get some wood. We can do a hot tent camp tonight, get it warm and dry, get cozy under the rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, tent's all set up. It's raining a lot. Yeah, a lot of rain and wind. Wow. Yeah, crazy rain right now. Okay, so we're just gonna set up grab all the gear out, set up the tent inside, and then we're gonna set up the hot stove and get some wood. That'll be first priority, get the fire going, and nice, dry and warm for the day. And yeah, do that for now. Alright guys, it's starting to rain again. It was sunny earlier with no rain. It's beautiful when the sun was out, but it's starting to rain again. And I'm not surprised because it's going to be raining all day, all night till tomorrow morning. Now it's going to relax, enjoy the water and the mountain view for a bit. And then we'll go get some wood. Let's get a wood stove going and get warmed up, dried up, and get our dinner started. But for now, just gonna relax here a bit, take a couple minutes, relax, watch the water. Alright, well that's perfect timing. Sun's out, rain's done, and we just finished setting up the wood stove. Perfect timing. Let's go get some wood. We got plenty of woods here for tonight. I think this will be more than enough for tonight. It's crazy, crazy weather right now. First, it's rain, and then super windy, and then it would stop, and the sun would come out, and it's become beautiful. And then it just go back to rain and wind again. Oh, crazy weather. So the wind is coming again. Yeah, just crazy weather today. Oh, glad I brought this tent though. This is a perfect tent for this kind of weather. Got a stove here, got our wood ready to go. Got me a nice and cozy night tonight. But yeah, here comes the wind. Alright, yeah, the rain just doesn't stop, and the wind and everything, so the weather is crazy today. But yeah, my dinner is still cooking. I'm just gonna get Sarang for dinner first while I wait for my dinner. Get Sarang eating first and just enjoy this rain. It's crazy rain right now. Looks like the water, the lake, slowly getting higher. So hopefully it doesn't get too high, or I have to pack up and move back. But right now it's not too bad. So yeah, we'll see later tonight. It is slowly moving up and back down again. So I guess Sarang our food first, and then dinner is almost ready. Alright guys, dinner's done. Finally. I'm so hungry. Rice is ready. The Korean beef stew is ready. Not sure what you call that. It's got a bunch of Korean spice and just beef, onion, garlic, ginger, and then I finished it with the kimchi at the very end. Alright, let's dig in. Ooh, I'm hungry. Alright, dinner's done, all cleaned up. Sarang had a good rest while I was eating. And yeah, she's nice, warm and cozy right now, so am I. This fire is going really well, keeping us warm and dry in here. It is windy, raining, and sometimes it does hail for a few seconds. And sunny. So we got like all four weather here. It's a crazy day. So we'll see how it is tonight. I think the worst is already past. Tonight should be some light rain and same thing tomorrow morning. But the wind is still going from time to time. It comes and goes. But not as heavy or strong as it was this afternoon. But yeah, we're really warm, cozy, and relaxed in here now. Yeah, we're just gonna relax here for a bit longer, get nice and cozy. It's gonna get dark pretty soon now. rain, wind, hail, and everything all this afternoon is all gone now. Very nice and calm. After it got dark, everything just silence and calm. But yeah, it's very nice and calm now. So just gonna relax in here. Nice, warm and cozy for the night. And then yeah, I'm just gonna hang around here for a while longer. Enjoy the night, and then we'll head to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning. It's been raining all night. Sounds like the rain is getting heavier. But yeah, we both had a good sleep. Nice, warm. Actually, got a bit too hot at one point. Yeah, the whole night I was worried about the water rising up. But we seem to be fine right now. But I just checked, and the water did rise up quite a bit. So I think we better quickly get our stuff together, pack up, and get out of here, because I think the water is gonna get up to this tent pretty soon, because it's raining quite a bit. And yeah, it's starting to rain pretty hard, so the water is gonna get up to this tent pretty soon, maybe in an hour or two. That's what I'm guessing. So gonna quickly get up, get some regular breakfast, and then I'm gonna pack up and get out of here, because I don't want to get stuck in the water. The water has risen quite a bit since yesterday, probably about 1.5 meters since yesterday, and it's still going up. Probably because of all the rain. There's a blue jay there. Yeah, a lot of birds are around right now. But yeah, the water has risen up quite a bit, and it's still rising. Beautiful morning. Just gonna finish my cup of tea, and this is a black tea. Delicious black tea. So I'm almost done with the tea, and then we're just gonna pack up and get out of here. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up the trip here, and I just wanna say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.